Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another vloggy vlog. Welcome. This one is a motorcycle unboxing. Haven't done an unboxing in a while, but when this company, Fanttik, reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to review and just check out their new product, I jumped right on the chance. And I have not heard of these guys before, but that's a good reason because they're new. They're actually on Kickstarter and they surpassed their goal 5 times over, and this been in development for quite a while, and now it's finally coming out to consumers. And another funny thing before we get into the unboxing and everything, Fanttik is actually a Russian word for like a wrapper, like a candy wrapper or a gum wrapper, and I thought that was really funny because I think the company is pronounced Fanttik and not Fanttik, but if any Russians are out there, we'll get a kick out of that. So, what do we know about this? It's a USB powered pump. And let's get inside of it and see what's going on. Beautiful. So, this company is from China, but you got to check out their website. I'll do a link below in their Kickstarter campaign, and everything is super clean and well done. Very professional. Highly impressed. So let's see what we have in here. And obviously, you know, as a motorcycle rider, as somebody who likes to go touring and who likes to explore, you always got to have your patch kit and you got to have your pump. As of right now, this is what I use for a pump. So it's just like a basic old thingy here. I don't even know the name of the brand anymore. It fell off over here. But you connect it to the battery lead. Yeah, I don't even know the name of this one. This is what I'm using right now, and this dial here is obviously very inaccurate, so therefore I use a little $3 AutoZone tire gauge, and this is nice, and it's a nice combination. But the way I work with this, I literally, you have to pump up the tire, go a little bit over, and then dial it down using this. However, in the perfect world, this unit, you just set it to the exact PSI that you want, and that's it. You let it go. So actually, let's go over the box and see what we got here. So you can pump a ball 50 plus times. For a bicycle, it's 26 tires, motorcycle 13 tires, car 4 to 6 tires, and then manual mode, you can actually go up to all the way up to 150 PSI, which is, you know, more than I'll ever use. This thing weighs under 2 pounds. It takes under 4 hours to charge. And then on the back, so we got the unit, we got the cable, we got the air tube, we got the needle adapter for the balls, and then we got the Presto valve, accessory bag, user manual. Very cool. This also has a built-in battery pack for charging your phone and whatever else, GoPros. So let's open it up. Let's see what's going on. Pumped for the journey. That's cute. Let's open it up. Let's see what's on the inside, and then we compare it in size to the other things. Then we do some testing on how she actually works. So, boom. Nice packaging, really clean. I really appreciate that. Appreciate that kind of packaging. And the unit itself, like I said, it's under 2 pounds, but it feels hefty. It feels solid. Let's pull this baby out right away. Ooh, not bad. Right away, you could tell that the construction is very solid. 2 pounds, but it weighs a little, feels heavier. Let's peel the, ooh, very nice. So, to turn it on, boom. The screen is really cool. I'm a big fan. So you can go, obviously, just manual mode, PSI, select the PSI. Whoa. Or you can go through car mode and have presets. Now, I don't usually use bar, just use PSIs. So I'd probably just use the custom mode. But this is super neat, nonetheless. Look at that. Let's see. There we go. Gonna have to figure out how to... Oh, interesting. Gonna have to figure out what these buttons means, obviously, because there's a couple of different functions. So this is the light. Yep. There we go. Pretty bright. All right, so let's see what else. I guess we hold this down for power. Nice. So let's see what else we got in the box. So take this out. The packaging is so impressive. I'm actually super impressed with the packaging. It's important nowadays because obviously it's obvious these people take themselves seriously. So we got there we go. And everything is just really, really well done. That is one thing I'm most impressed with here, is how well everything is packaged and set up. So what do we got here? This little bag, this little plastic bag here. All right, so we have the Presta, because there's a shredder, and then there's a Presta valve for the other bicycles, and this is for the balls. Interesting. And then we got a little USB-C cable, and as you can tell, so you charge it with the USB-C, and then the regular USB is an out. 2600 milliamps as far as the battery goes. That's not a lot, because look here, I have a 14,000 and this is a 20,000. So this is the ones that I take with me when I go camping or I go traveling. And obviously this thing here will not replace a battery such as this, but it is a really good additional auxiliary battery. And in a pinch, if you don't need to pump anything up, but you need to charge something, this will totally work out. But this weighs about the same, with a lot more function. So let me get rid of that. Let's see what this bag is. We got like a little manual here, and this is really cool. So this comes with a little pocket, little Velcro pocket. So you can put the little ball there, and this in there. Little USB cable for emergency charging. Obviously, I'm gonna charge this up before I set out, but let's have a look. It's super nice. I'm telling you guys, when you touch this, this just feels like a premium product. It just feels like a premium product. And my biggest excitement is just setting it to the PSI. Being able to just plop in, you know, for the back, I do 37, 32 for the front, and just send it to town. Hey. So turn it off. So let's see what we got in the manual. Pretty straightforward. Whoa. Just a couple of handy dandy thingies here. Blah blah blah. Air tube and nozzle, tires, balls, determining the right tire pressure. Beautiful. All right, so don't really need that. So let's take a look. Let's see how it looks. This packaging is so cool, so cool. So let's see. We'll just unscrew this and plop it in here. Will I travel with this on my motorcycle? You know what? Truth be told, yes. Yes, I will. Yes, I will. I could see I could see taking this with me on camping trips and whatnot, and like long motorcycle rides, because, let's see, so put this in here, see how the whole enchilada stacks. Because yeah, my patch kit, I can easily just fit inside this bag. So this right here could be a pump and a patch kit. That's really cool. And compared to this and all these, I mean, there's just like a cleaner package. I can even probably take one of these battery packs and put it in here. Yes, look at that. That's perfect. That's perfect. I'm excited. I'm excited. The next step is to take it out to the bike and test it out to make sure it works good and well. And just for comparison of size, this right here is my jump pack for jump starting the bike. And this is actually heavier than this. And same with this. It's the battery. The battery makes it heavy. The pump in here weighs probably the most of the weight when the battery is 2600 milliamps. So it's not a ton. It's not a ton. But just for comparison, boom. And you know, before I said I may not be bringing this on every trip, but I actually think I will. I actually think I will. And just to reiterate the reasons why tire pressure is so important, it's almost like insulting for me to tell you this, but with the proper tire pressure, not only do you make your tires last longer, you also have better performance, better grip, and more peace of mind, because sometimes you're riding your bike and the steering gets sketchy, or like you have like a weird sketchy moment with the tires, and last thing you want to do is wonder whether your tires are pumped up enough. So that's why I think this is a very important piece of kit, and I'm very much excited that Fanttik gave me a chance to test this baby out. So all right, now let's go downstairs and pump up the bike. Okay, and now we're down at the bike, and for the purpose of this video, I actually aired down my tire quite a bit, and I'm gonna do the front just because the back one is tucked away, and please ignore my dirty, filthy bike, but what are you gonna do? Let's turn this baby on. And for the front, we need 32 PSI. Right now it's telling me in bars, so we're gonna go to PSI. Let's go to, there we go. We're gonna go with the bicycle, and we're gonna go to 33 PSI. And right now it's telling me that the tire is at 9 PSI. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set a timer, because that's what people do. And we're gonna start this and start that. And we'll see how fast this puppy gets my tire to 33 PSI. And let's see if it will stop. Just the fact that it can go up there and stop would sell me on this product completely. 40 seconds. And normally you'd be just topping something off, so it would literally be like 30 seconds to add a couple of PSI. This is an extreme test. Interesting that it got to 34 before it stopped, but you know, about 1 minute and 20 seconds. Yeah, so see, there it goes. It regulated it back down to 33. But 1 minute 20, nice and easy. I say this thing works real well, and then we just, oh, nope. Remove this baby off, and hit your little knobby. So yeah, there it goes. It obviously works. It obviously works. Let's test the tire. Yeah. How beautiful is this? All right, let's check the rear one. So the rear tire was at 36, and I needed a 37. Look at this. Look at this adorable stuff. Yes. That's it. That's it. I am a big fan of this. I gotta admit. You know, like the concept, I mean, it's a pump that pumps up to a certain PSI before stopping. Seems very straightforward, but the execution of this one is just really nice. Love this package, nice and small. Thank you so much, Fanttik. I will 100% use this, and expect a long-term review. See how long this baby lasts, but it's perfect. Get one.